A very good morning to my dear students. Today I am going to start with you a new topic, formal letter to principal. Before I start my topic, please subscribe my channel and share my video as much as possible. Okay, now let us start the letter. Letters are mainly of two types, formal letters and informal letters. Informal letters are written to the relatives, friends, but formal letters are written to the principals, school principals, offices and to the newspaper editor. Today we shall discuss only the formal letter to the principal. Now let us discuss the main point that comes in the format of the principal. Although the format of all the formal letters are almost same, there are minor changes in each and every format. Today we will discuss the formal letter to the principal. Now first we have to write down the date, then we have to write down the address, then comes the salutation, subject, body of the letter. It is divided into three parts, para 1, para 2 and para 3. Then complimentary clause and signature, sender's name and signature. Now I will discuss each and every point in detail with you of the formal letter. First you have to write down the date. Date should be written in this format only. You can write in this format and in this format, but not in this format. Means today is the 30th May 2020. You can write the letter date like this in this format only. इसी format में आपको date लिखनी है सीधे तरीके से, जैसे 35/2020. This is a wrong format. Avoid using such types of format because examiner can deduct your marks if you use this format of a date. Now after the date it comes the address. Here we write the receiver's name, जिसको letter लिख रहे हो. To whom you are writing the letter to the principal. So you have to write the principal, the name of the school, then name of the city. After that salutation. Salutation is a formal address to writer in which the writer opens the letter, like dear sir, dear madam, respected sir, respected madam. This is a salutation. Then comes the subject. Subject describe briefly and accurately what is the purpose of the letter is. It is usually underlined or highlighted. It should be brief. The subject should be brief और हाईलाइट करो उसको या उसे अंडरलाइन करो, वो क्लियर हो जाए ताकि what you are going to write within the letter. After the subject there comes the body of the letter. The body of the letter, what you are going to write within the letter. You have to write within the letter in 3 paragraphs. In paragraph 1 you have to introduce yourself. Suppose you are a student of 6th standard. My name is Ragini Sharma. I am a student of class 6th in your school. My roll number is this. Such type of introduction you will write in the paragraph 1. Now in paragraph 2 explain the purpose of your writing. For what purpose you are writing the letter. क्यों लेटर लिख रहे हो अपने प्रिंसिपल को, वो सारा कुछ तुमने लिखना है. And in the last paragraph, third paragraph, make a request for necessary action. Whatever you have written in your purpose of writing, you want that your principal should take action on that. This is a request. Last paragraph you have to do the request in the last paragraph. Now after the body of the letter, then come a complimentary clause. It is a polite way of ending the letter. Politely कैसे thanking you, just like word we use. And you can also end your letter with yours faithfully. Avoid yours obediently, use the word yours faithfully. Your Y must be in capital letters here. After that yours faithfully or yours sincerely, then you have to put your signature and also name, class, roll number. You have to write in such a way. Now again I will explain you the format Then first you have to mention the date in this format, then address, then salutation, then subject, body, complimentary clause and signature. Now I will discuss with you this sample letter with you. Suppose this is a letter, write a letter to the principal seeking permission in reality show. You want to take some permission from your principal, you want to take part in some reality show, and you are writing a letter to your principal that she should give you a permission to take part in the reality show. You will start the letter like this. In the first paragraph you will write, first you write the date, then the principal, school का name, then city का name, सर मैडम जो भी आपके स्कूल में है, देन सब्जेक्ट सीकिंग परमिशन टू पार्टिसिपेट इन अ रियलिटी शो. Now start the body of the letter. My name is Ragini Joshi and I am a student of class 6 of this school and my roll number is this. You have to, this is the first paragraph of the body of the letter. Now you have to write the purpose of your writing. आप लेटर क्यों लिख रहे हो मैम को? You will be glad to know that I have been selected to participate in India's Got Talent. The shooting for the episode in which I have to perform a Bharatnatyam recital is due to be held in Mumbai next week. I will have to miss my classes from 21st to 26th May 2020. You need a holidays, you have to go to some other place. So this is the purpose of your writing. Now in the last paragraph you request to your principal that she should grant a leave to you. May I request you to kindly grant me the permission to participate in the show. Thank you. Complimentary clause किया, then your sincerely name, roll number. I hope you all have understood this letter. Thank you.